In this quick video, I'll show you how to erase background in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So for that we just need to select our layer, then click on select. You can see it on the top bar, then click on subject. Now Photoshop will make selection of our subject. Once your selection is done, then simply select your layer, then click on this mask icon, and now you can see the background has been completely erased from my image. I can simply see it by adding a solid color layer under my subject layer. You can clearly see the background has been completely removed and Photoshop did a pretty good job. Now we will try this image for removing our background. I can simply select this layer, then go to select, then subject. Photoshop will make selection and then we can simply click on this mask icon. Now this time also Photoshop did pretty good job. We can see it here. So this is how you can erase background in Photoshop, and now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.